Now, forewarned weather with Exact Track 4D.
We just kind of moved from Friday to Friday to Friday right now, but we're in the middle here with this sabbatical of really nice weather.
That's right, so enjoy it.
Yeah.
Enjoy it.
I know the only thing about Friday is that there are some people that get to work from home, and it's a different mindset when it's a Friday, going into the
Yeah, I
weekend.
think so.
Am I right?
Well,
It is for me.
I know
anyway.
that the kids would rather have a different snow
Well,
on a
that's true.
different
Yeah,
time.
that's true.
Right.
They may have a snow day on Friday. We're going to just kind of track things over the next 24 hours here in Metro Detroit. Right now, it is quiet and dry, and it will be for at least the next 24 hours. After that, all bets are off. 31 in Detroit, 30 in Howell, 27 in Pontiac, low 30s right now in Adrian. Winds are out of the northeast at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. All right, let's talk about this lake week storm. We've got early morning timing now, so it does look like it will come right at the height of the morning commute on Friday. 3 to 6 inches, maybe more at this point, but we're going to stick with that 3 to 6 inch total as of right now, and then kind of tweak it when we get our high resolution models in tomorrow. But the morning drive, it looks like on Friday, could be slow, and we'll see how quickly the snowplows can work, and hopefully will be a better evening commute with the snow tapers off in the afternoon. Snow totals, well, 39.7 is average. We're about 10 inches below that. Last year, we were right where we should be with the average. All right, timing. 1 a.m. This is Thursday night into early Friday morning. A few flurries start to develop, but it's really 4 or 5 a.m. that the majority of the snow starts to move in, and it gets the heaviest right at around 7 o'clock. So kind of that tail end of the early morning commute with as much as a half an inch to an inch snowfall per hour. Now, last week we had close to 2 inches per hour, so it was a much heavier snow. The difference also with this snow is that it's a colder column of air, so it will be all snow, and it will also be a much lighter snow and some wind, so it'll be blowing and drifting a little bit. So a different setup than last week, and the amount should be just slightly lower. And then by 5 o'clock on Friday, there could be a few scattered snow showers, but mainly south of M59. Looks like much of it will come to an end by about 5 or 6 o'clock, leaving us with anywhere from 3 up to about 6 inches, but we could tweak these numbers tomorrow, so tune in tomorrow night and we'll have a better handle on exact totals. Judy's Funny Farm, that's our My Pick of the Day from Detroit. Thanks so much for sending that in, and we will look forward to more My Picks as we have yet that next winter storm, so we always get some really good My Picks from our viewers, and we appreciate them so much. 28 degrees with more clouds overnight tonight, so that's why we're not going to drop too much more than where we are right now, just by a couple of degrees. Tomorrow, some clouds, not quite as sunny as it was today, but we will get some sunshine, and we'll warm back up to a high of 40. Friday's the snow, 34 degrees, also, again, colder than we were last week. For Saturday, there could be a lingering flurry, but not anything that's going to affect your first half of the weekend. Sunday, we spring forward, and then Monday and Tuesday, I mean, there's no denying it. You can see it right there.
Yep.
More snow
There it
showers.
comes.
This does not look like an impactful storm on Monday,
But that's not a Friday. There's something amiss.
I know, but we might end the work. We can start the next
the work
one.
week.
True.
We'll see.